Avuna is to run to refraction. Refraction hi dinamo kanya kiti tagamin. Kilata oma kilata kanama pen hi juthunin lan pen tinga tani enin ju ama pen hi alien rang. Non su akoi rang ama kaimo refraction sikado. Refraction hi mani simple language in. It is the bending of light when it passes from one medium to another medium. Maka explain kiti enro idinamo. Air, water. Mahitoido. Imokrasi air, water, air imo rarer, water hi denser, medium. Chong light ka hinazonga amahi phai woni te amahi tui azulutin chu imone rang tui azulutin chu hina favor trunke nina light ka straight ani chu favor bending ani ta amahi incident amahi reflected, so amahi angle R, angle I. Meaning rita when the light from rare medium or when a light passes from one medium to another medium, there is a bending of light that is called refraction. Exact definition to bukaon ai ma buka ta ka ai roi definition of nang niki pek the ani chu all some nanangin manghin entry roi do when it passes from rarer medium or one medium to another medium, there is a bending of light. Atun airata to yafe, that means rarer to denser. Atun denser ata rarer afen imonira. Suppose mahimo water to yania atun light ka chong hina feta koita chong light ka hina fe light ka atun chu denser ata hong fe sikin azok te na chu imonira hina fe patrang nim hina fe patrang ka hina koita rang ka. This is one medium imo water maka denser mahi air ante mahi imo angle of mahi incident mahi reflected hi angle of incident hi alien pata angle of reflected hi mahi angle of incident phenomenon. When the light passes from one medium to another medium, a bending of light occurred. Amasika and Roiki RCI hi thomo zamai hin twinkling and thongai and entritmo thomakin chu mahi star mission any art hin mirim hinayom amador lapakan imo mahin space na air and lungte hette hayamo omngai phaivu clouds omngai anni hay kan imo light ka hina fe te bending anita kate bending ani sikin ama RC ten ay mu anga kan imon ram bending atam ta hay sikin twinkling an to hay do hazoi misareng ni zing aswok zero hindi mo achi nang enel mo ngai thomo reflection of my kate refraction of my sikin do itomo atmosphere atu my art ramul atong mahin ningir ti taro zinga kan bamulan misaka hititi ali achin ram ajo hong ata imo hitena ominchu alien rang mani achin rang mani mangkan ei muda nai akara china kara le ni thomo tinchu mahin air on mai hate medium ante lai kai ka hinafe ka amasika imo daily life ina entry changchu refraction sika ama anga thil object hai ka atak tak niloi angin an omdu achin hai ka anlin ai kan chin ki rc ki ti ang kan twinkling an thawang kan mai ka refraction sika den entry the ni ti ki ya atun refraction ko mi low in ni nei do reflection air tu ang kan imo first lo hi imo the incident reflected normal lie on the same plane ati iti namo suppose mahi water incident reflected incident normal and reflected lie on the same plane ama plane in an omna first second imo the ratio of the sine of I with respect to R refractive index definition for a two media suppose the ratio of sine of the angle of incident angle of incident le angle of refraction ratio ka imo it will give us constant he the angle of incident with respect to angle of refraction give us a constant this is known as refractive index something I do maka refractive index something statement in amakir je amhin amahi dimontinga intinchu SNELL Snell's law exam high important to class 11 12 science high in hong into physics and what is Snell's law define explain kadira imo sine of I divided by sine of R sine of I divided by sine of R imo mu this is nothing but refractive index which is Snell's law mangin atidu atun mahi law of refraction atunin khata umno speed of light in C naught and rho mache kiti ang kan amahi water amahi air amahi rarer amahi denser ante speed of light ka light a speed dan ka adang rang na 5 ohm 0 kan adang rang 2 ya zulu 0 kan adang rang ante inkhat ai nei ngai imo ma jam absolute imo when the speed of light in vacuum and speed of light in medium amaka imo mu naught represent my formula and the speed of light in air ka adang rang speed of light in water ka adang rang different medium vacuum atin chu air empty space do my ka formula atun inkhat important exam hai na zungai define total internal reflection maka iti namo suppose water mahi mo denser light ka hinafe mahi incident a phase de main sup patrangani ka sup taloi ni mo to inakoi That means angle R, this is angle I. Case in cut. My first case. Atun. Angle of incident heat yung thin knock. Yung thin knock yung imanirang. Hiten na ang kahit yung thin knock tapos hiten ki yung thin into imo maka ina fe knock ram. Angle of incident, angle of reflection, mahi normal, mahi mo water net, mahi kong air. And angle of incident ka heating AC door ka, reflection ka, tweeting a fe door. Ante mahi heating yung tono kinju mahi tweeting a fe knock. Case into imo mahi B, mahi C atun. In-treat tayo niti. Mador hinthota inland imo mahi angle of incident. Atun jo angle of reflection ka heating ke nitang pura 90 degree. In-treat tayo na. Ama heating ni jung choi dor are heating affair ham. Heating ni choi dor are heating affair. Hante angle in khata chumang hin umata mador angle hin 90 degrees sukang ama angle ki imontingai critical angle imontingai ama angle I hi imontarang C. That means IC is critical angle. Very important. Exam hai na. What is critical exam? Oh, sorry. Exam hai. What is critical angle? As well, exam ni mado. Sorry. What is critical angle? What do you mean by total internal reflection? 2 marks, 3 marks. As well. The diagram based in the imo. At some particular angle, the refraction become 90 degree to the normal. Normal le ma R hi imo 90 degree anita sikin. Ama annite na angle ga imuntingai critical angle do meaning treat thaina critical angle atun total internal reflection ka imo atun amazo hin angle amai heating hom thin no pro suppose imunitarang thoiting azum tarang hante maanga hai ke imuntingai total internal reflection atun android definition nang ni peketi critical angle is that angle of incidence for which area of light while moving from a denser to a rarer medium just graze over the surface of the separations of the two media. This is the angle of reflection, is 90 degree. Entry of China in the same angle. At this angle, the refractions become 90 degree to the normal. So this is critical angle, which is 90 degree here. Critical angle incident na. Amahi itikamo omai total internal reflection hai when a light rays or it passes from denser medium to rarer medium. And mahito initial to yata 5 when it passes from denser medium to rarer medium, total internal reflections occur and also critical angle. Hante atun amahi imo water, air, normal, incident, total internal reflection in condition of my imo. It has to be from denser medium to rarer medium. Light ka denser medium ata rarer medium fair na ngati in kat no ka imo. The angle of incident should be greater than critical angle and critical angle in straight 90 degree nga the critical angle chungtiang ni increase pente tweeting affair. That means for total internal reflection the angle of incident has to be greater than critical angle means with him or total internal reflection emoti first ka it has to be denser to rarer denser ta feta rarer fe nang chang han ke total internal reflection ningai du total internal reflection total internal reflection when it passes from denser to rarer. Also angle of incidence should be greater than critical angle मुझे बुता ना amaten hin and right angle of incident mahi do angle of incident mahi hi critical angle hin pura 90 degree ani ngai normal le refracted ka ante total internal reflection ni rangin ama hin ni increase pe rang angle of incident atun angle of incident mating in kitho pente hitting a zoom coin over. So this is total internal reflection. That means angle of incident is greater than angle of critical kate mahina IC. So I is greater than IC. So reflect total internal reflect internal di kai mo assume ting na reflection ga itinam assume no atenga ante ma kai mo total internal reflection amaten hi refraction chungchang. So example kiti ka imo ai misa kom hi jing asu zero into a chin ngai ani chu kholoi ro into a lien ngai a sen ngai a eng ngai thomo because of refraction ka imo bending of light atmosphere ramoli e phai hu ai ni mo asan lung terek te ai kom ong ngai clouds ong ngai phai hu dang ong ngai an ni hai ka light kan avatok hai zero light hai an koi ngai sikin refraction star hai kon twinkling nam thongai kate an ni ka refraction te maten in infinity refraction is no roi it is the bending of light when it passes from one medium to another medium atun bukhayin namni fenti the refractive index of water is this much crown glass is this much anni hai ka based on the refraction idor mo bending anni hai chungakan number refractive index water money glass money wood money anni hai kan anni pendu ma hai kha maten hi refraction chungchang machine next mirrors formula lens formula magnification has a sign anni hai ka year 2 3 kilo